What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got a review of the LifeProof Next case for the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. So right off the bat, this case is advertised to be drop-proof, dirt-proof, snow-proof, and dust-proof. It is however not like the LifeProof Free case, which is a waterproof case, if that's something that you're after. The LifeProof Next case comes in 3 different color combinations: black crystal, a combination of a clear plastic with a black accent bumper, beach pebble, a combination of a clear plastic again with a grey accent bumper, and cactus rose, again a combination of a clear plastic with a pink accent bumper. Let's now open the box to reveal the case, but below that we'll find a case removal tool and some informational material. It's really easy to install your S9 Plus into the case. Simply use the case removal tool on the bottom edges of the case as indicated here and pry it open with a little pressure. Next, install the S9 Plus into the back cover, first starting from the bottom and sliding the S9 Plus into the top. You'll find it just sort of has a snug fit here. Next step is to install the front. Open the ports on the bottom, then place the front and snap the case into place. I personally found that the case didn't want to snap properly into place on the bottom front of the case. My biggest worry here with the case is that if you did accidentally drop your S9 Plus from say 2 meters, the first part to open would either be the left or right bottom of the LifeProof Next, and it's possible that your S9 Plus could come out of the case as well. Your mileage may vary though. The LifeProof Next case is also compatible with wireless charging, and as you can see, it works fine with the Samsung fast wireless charger as you'd expect it to. As far as protecting the case from your S9 Plus display, I do like that the Next case has a higher raised lip on the front bumper, where it keeps the S9 Plus display off the table a bit more. In terms of overall protection, the LifeProof Next has a very slippery clear plastic back, so it's possible that you could lose grip with your phone. It also means that it slides around on surfaces more. The LifeProof Next case does offer some port protection, but if you're like me, having to open up the port covers each time to charge your phone or plug some headphones in, you'd rather do without them. But this is probably just more of a small thing in comparison. I can't fault the LifeProof Next case completely though. What it does really well is with its button responsiveness. You can really feel the press of the buttons, and this is one of my favorite things about this case. So would I trust having my S9 Plus in this case? Minus all the marketing that it's got the 2 meter drop proof protection, I can see after using the case, it worries me that on the edges of the case, that if I do drop my S9 Plus in the LifeProof Next case, that it will snap out at the bottom when dropped, and it doesn't give me true peace of mind with this product. I'd rather actually stick with the LifeProof Slam case, which sort of actually fits really well. But that's going to wrap it up for my review of the LifeProof Next case. A special thanks to LifeProof for sending this out for review. Please note that all the opinions in this video are my own, and nobody saw this video before it was published. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more. We are nearly at 1,000 subscribers, so I'd like to get there soon, hopefully. But yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.